In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy trade in TradingView. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to click on trade top right, and from here you want to connect to your broker. Now, if you want a guide on how to do this, I do have a lot of videos teaching you on how to do this for specific brokers, so go watch that first. I'm just going to connect to paper trading right now, which is demo data, and I'm going to click on connect. Now, over here I have paper money, of course, so I can just go ahead and buy anything and anywhere. So I'm just going to go and click on the trade button top right, or you could also click on buy button over here, and that's going to open up this side panel. You could also right click and click on buy, but of course this is much convenient if you click on the trade button up top right. In here you want to select the buy because we're making a buy trade, and then from here you want to select the trade type, either market, limit, or stop, up to you whichever one you want to do. Then you can change how much you want to buy, so you can do shares, USD, percent balance, etc. I'm just going to buy, let's just do $100 worth, or let's just actually do 1,000 right now. There we go. And then here you have like take profits, stop losses. If you want to enable these, you can do that. It's up to you. And then you have extra settings, and whenever you're ready, you can click on buy. Now, of course, if you're placing a limit order, you can do that as well. And or here, of course, you can change the price where you want to purchase at, or the same if you're doing a stop order. So that's how to buy trade in TradingView. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.